Up 1151, runway 28 left, clear for takeoff.
Down 1151 heavy, clear for takeoff, runway 28 left.
Charlie United 963, Samuel 28 right.
United 963, San Francisco Tower, runway 28 right, clear to land.
28 right, clear to land, United 963.
American 618, contact North Autopart.
American 618, good day.
Chris Current at San Francisco, altimeter 3004. 860 San Francisco Tower, runway 1 right, line up and wait.
1 right, line up and wait, Redwood 860.
So 1151 heavy, contact North Autopart, so we'll see.
So 1151 heavy, switching, good day.
Alpha 497 via Echo, cross runway 28 left, contact ground.
On Echo, clear to cross 28 left to ground, Southwest 197.
Good evening to you, Skies 5461, QB 28 right.
Skies 5461, San Francisco Tower, runway 28 right, clear to land.
28 right, clear to land, Skies 5461, thanks.
Redwood 860, wind 280 at 10, runway 1 right, clear to takeoff.
1 right, clear takeoff, Redwood 860.
Sun Country 396, San Francisco Tower, runway 1 right, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 1 right, Sun Country 396.
Yeah, 963 via Tango, cross runway 28 left, contact ground.
Tango cross 28 left, go to ground, United 963.
United 1240 is on the FMS visual 28 right.
United 1240, San Francisco Tower, 28 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 28 right, United 1240.